minimally invasive surgeries to delicate eye operations, AI robot arms are revolutionizing healthcare and improving patient outcomes. Section 4, Sorted and Shipped AI in Logistics. Ever wonder how online orders get delivered to your doorstep so quickly? Behind the scenes, AI robot arms are busy sorting and packing packages in warehouses around the world. These tireless workers can identify, pick up, and sort packages with incredible speed and accuracy, making sure your orders are fulfilled and shipped on time. They can even handle heavy boxes and work in tight spaces, optimizing storage and improving efficiency throughout the entire logistics chain. Section 5. The future is automated, embracing the change. As you can see, the AI robot arm revolution is already here, transforming industries and shaping the future of work. These robotic arms are not just limited to factories. They are making significant impacts in warehouses, healthcare, and even in our homes. The precision and efficiency they bring are unparalleled, allowing for faster production times and improved quality of life. While some worry about job displacement, it's important to remember that technology has always created new opportunities. History shows us that every technological advancement, from the steam engine to the internet, has led to the creation of new industries and job roles. The key is to stay adaptable and open to learning new skills. As robots take over repetitive tasks, humans will be needed to design, program, and maintain these advanced systems, leading to new and exciting career paths. Engineers, programmers, and technicians will be at the forefront of this revolution, ensuring that these robots operate smoothly and efficiently. The key is to embrace this change, invest in education and training, and adapt to the evolving job market. Educational institutions and training programs are already evolving to meet these needs, offering courses in robotics, AI, and other emerging technologies. By staying informed and proactive, we can all find our place in this new landscape. The future is full of possibilities, and AI robot arms are just one example of how technology can make our lives better. From performing complex surgeries to assisting in daily chores, these advancements are designed to enhance our capabilities and improve our quality of life. So, let's embrace the future of automation and work together to create a world where humans and robots collaborate to achieve incredible things. By fostering a spirit of collaboration and innovation, we can ensure that the future is bright for everyone. Let's celebrate these technological achievements and look forward to a world of endless possibilities.